When you are searching for a quality medical transcription school, one recommendation you may see is to choose an accredited program. For many kinds of online education, that's a really good recommendation. When it comes to medical transcription education, however, I recommend you look at something more specific. I suggest you seek out AHDI approval in your programs. Accreditation for an online school in general is a good thing as long as it's legitimate. The trouble is that some schools have their own accrediting agency to make themselves look legitimate. You can solve this problem by checking to see if the accrediting program itself is legitimate. There's a government website you can check, which is ope.ed.gov/accreditation, and you can do the search there to see if the agency is listed. This can help you to determine if the agency is legitimate or not. Accreditation means that the school meets the criteria set forth by the accrediting agency. This is important if you want your school credits to be transferable to another college. But when you study medical transcription, your goals are a little different. This is why I recommend AHDI. They don't accredit schools as such. They make sure that they are offering high-quality medical transcription training. The criteria they check are the exact ones you need for your future as a medical transcriptionist. Regular accrediting programs don't do this. They accredit the college as a whole, and there's no focus on medical transcription. Some accredited online schools do a poor job of training medical transcriptionists. If this is the industry for you, you want to be certain that your training is good enough to get you a job, not just college credit. AHDI is the largest professional society in the world for medical transcriptionists and others who work in clinical documentation. That's why I trust their approval. AHDI approval means the schools follow the AHDI model curriculum, provide at least 35 hours of real physician dictation, have at least one certified medical transcriptionist involved, uses the AHDI book of style, must have existed for at least 6 months, and have provided student placement statistics, and must offer course instructors to students as well as other criteria. This approval is well regarded by many medical transcription employers. They don't approve a lot of schools. I see 22 schools on their list when I checked most recently. You need to know that AHDI approval is a separate thing from AHDI membership. Don't be fooled by schools simply claiming AHDI membership. Any school can join AHDI. It has nothing to do with the quality of their educational program. You need to check for AHDI approval. Even when you find an approved school, you should do research on that school to make sure that it's going to meet your needs. As you do your research, remember your goal in studying medical transcription. It's not about college credit. It's about qualifying for a career with good growth potential, flexibility, and pay. My personal preference out of the schools approved by AHDI is Career Step. The quality of their education is good, and they are partnered with some employers, giving you a good chance at finding work after graduation.